What keeps the world's best-run companies moving? Systems. The kind that connect people, process, and data, so reliability isn't just possible, it's built in. That's the sound of silos breaking, because systems don't work in isolation, and neither should you. So ask yourself, what's your system for reliability? Is it aligned? Is it fast enough? Today's sessions can help you find out. You'll hear how the world's best-run companies design reliability into the foundation. From startup strategy to risk dashboards, from FMEA to predictive diagnostics, from job plans to leadership culture. These are real-world insights from real engineers built to be put to work. Oh, and one more system to get right, your networking game. Bring your Hawaiian shirt and meet us at the welcome reception. Tropical vibes, good bites, and a chance to connect before everything kicks off. Think less chaos, more coordination. Think day one at IMC, where better systems mean faster reliability.